Ever pondered the historical roots of the semi-autonomous region in northeastern Somalia known as Puntland? What if we told you its origins trace back to the ancient Land of Punt, a prosperous center of trade and valuable commodities, a place that once even traded with the ancient Egyptians? The Land of Punt, often referred to as God's Land by the Egyptians, was a place of great wealth and natural abundance. It was the source of precious commodities such as myrrh, frankincense, ebony, and incense that were highly prized in the ancient world. Its exact location, however, has long been the subject of debate among historians and archaeologists, with many pointing to the Horn of Africa, the area now known as Puntland. As the centuries rolled on, the region's strategic location along the Gulf of Aden and the Red Sea made it a hotspot for various empires and kingdoms. The Egyptians, Persians, Ottomans, and Portuguese have all, at different times, exerted influence in the region, shaping its history and culture. Fast forward to the tail end of the 20th century, Somalia was in the throes of a civil war, and there was a dire need for stability and local governance in the northeastern region. Enter Puntland. Established in 1998, Puntland emerged as a beacon of hope out of reconciliation efforts between various clans and political factions. Unlike the secessionist region of Somaliland, Puntland did not seek outright independence from Somalia. Instead, it sought to provide a model of local governance within the broader framework of the Federal Republic of Somalia. It established its own regional government, constitution, and president, offering a semblance of stability in a time of great uncertainty. However, like many regions with a history as rich and complex as Puntland's, it has faced its fair share of challenges. Insecurity, piracy, terrorism, and political instability have all posed significant hurdles. Yet, amid these challenges, Puntland has shown resilience and progress. It has made strides in infrastructure development, education, and natural resource management, proving its potential and tenacity. In the political landscape of Somalia, Puntland holds substantial significance. As a semi-autonomous region, it offers a unique model of governance and continues to play a critical role in the country's ongoing path towards stability and development. Its historical roots, its establishment, and its ongoing journey all contribute to its vital role in the tapestry that is Somalia. The story of Puntland is one of resilience, transformation, and an enduring strive for stability and progress.